I'm gonna be fixing this bluey exhaust fan because I hate the sound. First thing I have to do is turn off the power. First thing I need to do is turn off the exhaust fan. First thing I need to do is pop off the cover and turn off the exhaust fan in the thing. Then you're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to be replacing the installation. The problem is causing the power that the installation is gone bad, and it's allowing the fan to do that as usual sort of thing. Push it in. Let's screw it back in. Now we push the cover back on. Push cover back into position, and then we need to test the fan. And then it sounds the way you want it to sound like. And that's how to fix a bluey exhaust fan. That's me, Dan and Scout, signing off.